Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix desktop.ini file in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First, you need to know what is the Windows desktop.ini file and can I delete it. The desktop.ini file is a hidden file used to store information about the arrangement of a Windows folder. Essentially, if the layout or settings of a folder are changed, a desktop.ini file is automatically generated to save those changes. Now I'm going to tell you can it be deleted? Desktop.ini file can technically be detected from any directory, although it is not advised. The file saves settings associated with the folder where it is contained, deleting and changes the settings back to default. For example, if you change the icon of a folder, then delete the desktop.ini file, the icon would revert to what it was before. So we don't need to delete the desktop.ini file, but we can hide it if we need it. Now I'm going to show you how to hide desktop.ini file in your Windows 10 computer. Open File Explorer, click on View, click on Options. Now click on View. Look, hidden files and folder. Don't show hidden file and folder or drive. If you click here, show hidden file, folder and drives, it will show your desktop.ini file. If you click on don't show hidden files, folders or drives, it will not show your desktop.ini file in your Windows 10 computer. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Now close File Explorer. Now if you restart your computer, after restarting your computer, hope your desktop.ini file will not appear on your Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.